So what we're talking about today is how IMI is combining pneumatic and electromechanical technology for pick-and-place type applications. So we'll talk about the pneumatic system first. Right out of the compressor, all compressed air is going through a shutoff valve, and then the air is being filtered, regulated. We're passing it through a soft start valve, so when your machine is coming up to pressure after shutdown, it does that smoothly. Then the compressed air passes through a directional control valve, and we're operating the gripper as you can see here. The pneumatic gripper is attached to a Z-axis, as we're calling it, up and down. It's relatively unique for the industry. It's going through what we call an omega drive. What that really does for us is enables us to get a significant amount of Z motion in a very tight package, because as you can see, the motor is mounted perpendicularly to the actuator itself, so it keeps our overall height profile down to a minimum. So this Z-axis is then attached to what we call a high-speed XZ motion system. And these are relatively unique as well, because what we're doing is we're combining two axes of motion, X and Z, into one continuous belt. It helps in a multitude of ways. For one, there's not a motor that's sitting on the far end of the Z-axis. We have a motor to the left and we have a motor to the right. That enables us to carry more payload on the Z-axis. We offer these in a variety of sizes, from very, very small to very, very high loads. It's all depending on what your application requires. So that's really what we're trying to show, is how we're combining pneumatic technology with electric actuation to solve challenges.